Now, if I may, I will turn first to Marinika, and your certificate reads, Eurasia Foundation's Bill Maines 2012 Fellowship is hereby presented to Marinika Babanazarova for establishing the Savitsky Karakol Pakistan Art Museum as a premier art institution and for promoting culture throughout Karakalpakstan. Congratulations, Marinika. So at this, would you like to say a few words, Marinika? Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor for me to be nominated for the 2012 Bill Maines Fellowship. I believe this award acknowledges my modest but very important efforts in preservation of culture and in using it as a tool to change the world for the better. We live and work in a very complicated world with a strong belief that culture and arts are able to bring real positive development. Culture is a core issue of any institution or organization in a very broad sense. It is the soul of the body. Culture makes us different and unique, but it is what unites us and is understandable to anyone. The present ceremony also recognizes the international importance of the Savitsky Museum, which depicts Central Asian cultures, and it also contains one of the greatest collections of Russian European avant-garde. This avant-garde art collection was once neglected, but today art experts consider it a unique school of talented masters synthesizing Eastern and Western traditions. The stories of these artists' lives are vivid examples of what an artist can be to a society and vice versa. Thus, today we also recognize their creations, and we recognize my teacher, Mr. Savitsky, whose passion to art and the creation of the collection brought Silk Road cultures, Orientalism, and Western art into a unified Eurasian museum model. I would also like to touch on the museum's location. This question is always on the agenda now. We know now why such a museum could be possible in the middle of the desert in the past. Now located in the center of ecological disaster related to the Aral Sea ecological catastrophe, it stands as a symbol and reminds us all, regardless religion, gender, race, what is universal about the human experience. It awakens the souls of all who visit and often moves visitors to tears. So there is always a chance to make the world better. Thank you for your kind attention.